switch. Let's go. Let's chop it up. Let's chop it up, fam. So in today's video now, I want to discuss a couple of things. So Vussy grew from $19 to $112. A win is a win, my G. I always say this. I'm still gonna say it now. A win is a win. That's how you start. You're not gonna start with $19 and make $1,000 from it, like just like that. You understand? It's gonna take a process, and the more you keep adding and growing consistently, that's when now you're gonna, your equity is gonna grow. Don't aim to compete with people on social media or what, because I know that's what kills a lot of people. So from talking to a lot of new beginner traders and stuff, I can see like it's a common thing. They always say, "Hey, I seen this trader doing this and this, so how can I also be like that person or whatever?" Hey man, it's not about that in this life. You have to like operate your own things first. You understand? So, Ash, today, guys, I wanna start interacting with you guys. You feel me? So that's why I'm even this is my first public live that I'm doing on YouTube. So I would appreciate it if you guys give me feedback and comment. Don't worry, I'm reading all the comments as they come in now. So it's good that we can finally interact. You understand? I'm tired of seeing y'all comments on my videos after I've already uploaded the videos, and I want to try something new. Let's interact on this live thing. Ash, this one is saying a blue 10k, bro. You see now that one. How do you blow 10k? I mean, I know it's possible to blow 10k, but how did you get to the point where you're blowing 10k? Your risk management or what? What's going on? Or it was the NFP? Hey guys, there was also the issue of the NFP. How was the NFP for y'all? Y'all let me know how was the NFP. Personally, I didn't trade it because I realized like, guys, this year the fundamentals this year are shaky. So if I can give you a little bit of advice, I would say try avoiding fundamentals for the first half of the year. So meaning you're gonna start to see the market move like in one direction in terms of fundamentals after the first half of the year. So normally the first half of the year, fundamentals are just like there's too much manipulation. You'll see the market spiking up and spiking down before it decides to choose like which direction that chart is gonna go. So meaning if you enter, you can get kicked out of the market, and then later on the market will continue in the right direction. So it's not gonna give you that direction in the beginning of the trade. So for instance, I'm trying to put on my ring light here so y'all can see me. You feel me? So like I'm saying, for instance, if you're gonna enter NFP at 2:30, if you see the volatility and let's check it out. Understand? I wanted to check it out. Okay, sharp. I think the lighting is fire now. So okay, I wanted to say something about lot sizing, but since we're talking about the NFP, I wanted to check out something, right? I'm gonna add my period separators so that we can see yesterday's movement. You understand? So we can see yesterday's movement and that. So session breaks. So that's what I use, guys. I don't know how many of you guys know about period separators or session breaks, but that's what I use so I can see the movement of every day. You understand? So for example, if I add session breaks on MetaTrader, it's called period separators. It's basically this session break option thing, right? So when I add it, it's going to show me a blue line in between my chart, right? So but this thing is only good if you're going to use H1 time frame or lower than that, because if you go to H4, it becomes messed up. So if you use H1 just to see the daily movement. So wherever there's this line, it's a separate day. So this was Friday, this is Thursday, this is Wednesday, this is Tuesday, this is Monday. I do that to see the overall movement of how the market was moving on particular days. So don't tell anyone, but yeah, you need to use these things if you're using H1 time frames and M30 and stuff. So I'm doing that now so we can see Friday's movement specifically. So as you can see, I'm on M30, right? And you see this spike here, this spike that I want us to quickly go over. It's the reason I'm telling you I'm not trading fundamentals for the first half of the year. I'll only see them when? We'll only see them after June, probably July or August. That's when like they start really paying. But if you want to trade them now, my G, I had to break it down to you, but you won't be making a lot of money. You see this candlestick, dog. Well, like, what can you do here? Because even if you open there, let's say if you opened your buy there, you see there's still this candlestick down here, and there's still this wick that would have destroyed you if you opened the buy, right? So if you open the buy, you would have lost. If you open the sell, you still would have lost, because you can just see what this one is operating. You understand? So that's why I don't like the NFPs when everybody, or fundamentals, when everybody's talking about them. That's when the market violates everything. But once everybody's like, "Aye, guys, fundamentals are not the one," and people start deciding that, "Aye, we're not trading fundamentals anymore," which is usually after the first half of the year, that's when now they start really moving. So that's why I would like to also give you guys this advice. You understand? So, are you guys saying, what brokers do you suggest for us? Because most SA brokers is a flop. I don't like that one. Is a fact, my G. So currently the broker I'm using is Global GT. Let me see if I can put the link on here. I'm using Global GT. Guys, hop on my public Telegram. You understand? Hop on my public Telegram in the building. So I'm going to try to send you guys a link on here. It's my first live, so it's not going to be perfect. You understand? I'm still trying to figure out these things and how everything goes. So listen, the point of this video is to give advice to all my beginners. I don't know about FBS, my G. The point of this video is to give some sort of advice to my beginners, right? So I just need to do something real quick. Okay, we're rocking now. Alright, cool. So what we're gonna discuss, since I'm saying I wanna advise my beginners, what we're gonna talk about first is lot sizing, right? So lot sizing, we don't need to know this the scientific term of this, but I assume that if you're a follower of this channel and you on this live, you know the basics of trading and stuff like that. So okay, there's a comment that says this day I took 50 rands to 576 on that New York buy on Thursday. I can see progress. Alright, Magic, keep it up. But also, if I can give you advice, I would say, if you are an expert, because if I can tell you one thing, you should never knock any hustle. You understand? But what I would say is, if you are master at growing 50 rand accounts, after you make that profit, you should move it to your wallet and then now only keep 50 rands in your trading account, and try doing that over and over and over and over, instead of growing from 50 and then you start using all your money and stuff like that. Trying to maintain that consistency first before you go from 50 bucks to trading with 100 bucks and then 150 to 100, just like that. That's how we did it. So I think that one can work like that. So I still can't understand Nasdaq NFP spikes, or how to know if it's going to be a sell or buy. My G, the thing, my G, to be honest, the fundamentals, no one really knows where those things are going. So those things are highly speculative because there is no setup for fundamentals. Am I lying or not? Y'all can tell me. All right. So yeah, y'all can tell me if there's a thing. There's no setup for fundamentals basically. So I want to tell you guys about. So as I tell you this, I'm just gonna analyze Nest 100 as we talk about this. So for the beginners, I'm gonna give you a broke. I'm gonna give you guys a link. You understand? I'll give you guys a link. So this is what my Nest 100 is looking like. You understand? This is what my Nasdaq was looking like. So I think I made a video. I don't know if you guys seen it when I was talking about levels. So everything I show you guys on here, on my other videos, is literally what I use to think to in my day-to-day analyzing procedure. You understand? Alright, guys. Today I'm gonna analyze something I've never analyzed in a long time, but I always make money when I trade this thing, which is the AUD USD. I know you guys want to talk about Nest 100, but I relax a little bit, guys. Let's just have fun with it today because I'm giving advice, right? So for someone who's starting to trade, I would say start trading with Forex. Guys, Forex, I feel like it needs a lot of capital for you to make money on Forex. That's why everyone is going to Nasdaq in today's age. Like, okay, in the last couple of years, people seem to gravitate towards Nasdaq more than Nasdaq and US states. Let's just say indices more than Forex. So it's not because people are crazy. It should tell you that there's something that's driving people to those kind of markets. So the thing is, the typical South African, when we go to these things, when we start trading and stuff, we don't have a lot of capital. Because even when I look at my analytics, right? When I look at my YouTube analytics, most of my audience is between the age of 18 to 24. That's like most of y'all. So in SA's economy, we don't have like 10K lying around or a 20K where you can put it into Forex and make money. Am I lying or not? You feel me? So we don't have that kind of money just lying around. So that's why now with indices, we can take our little bit of 500 rands, 400 rands, 600 rands into 10K. We can grow them into very large amounts. You understand? From basically small capital. You understand? So the thing is, if you try to use the same procedure, you find with 300 rands and you want to trade Euro USD, my G, even if you go to USD, the margin, first of all, your margin is going to kill you. The spread is going to kill you. With the 300 rands, you might be, your position will open. It's not even going to, you can hold the trade. You can hold the trade in H4 time frame in a forex market like Euro USD, for example. You can hold a winning trade for 8 hours only to make $6 profit on 0.01. Imagine, bro, like, first of all, no strategy is going to give you 100% winning rate. We know that. So when you are winning, imagine you are winning for 8 hours straight, but you only made $6. You understand? So imagine that on Nest 100 now or US states, that 8 hours, bro, you can make from 1K, you can take it to like 12K, 13K, and stuff like that. So that's why people are gravitating towards these things. It's not because people are greedy or what. It's just that it will make more sense for you to put your money where you're going to get the most results. You understand? So that's why I no longer tell people how to trade. That's why I no longer tell people how to trade Forex and stuff. Because even me, once I started trading these things, I never looked back to currencies because, guys, it's just a waste of time, those things. You understand? So, yeah. I'm going to tell you guys about lot sizing in terms of trading Nest 100. You understand? If you got any question, hit me up. I'm interested to know what you guys think. You feel me? What I mean, bro, how do you trade your entries? What I mean, I choose. So the way I trade my entries, I go from top down. I do my top down analysis. So as you can see here, I'm on daily time frame, right? I'm on a daily time frame. So analyze while I'm going to smaller and smaller and smaller time frames. If I want to open my trades, I go to I'm sure H1, M30 or M15 or M5. That's why I look for my trades. If I'm really scalping with it, I open my trades on M5. But M1 for me is a little bit too much, you understand? But only if I'm like super aggressive with my scalping, I can think. You understand? But you can get Euro, USD, micro. No, listen. What I'm saying is you can trade standard forex currencies, but making money on those things, even though it's a standard instrument, it's gonna be very hard for you. You understand? Making money off those things is very hard because those things don't move, bruh. They move, but the volatility just isn't there as much as it's there on the indices. So if you really want to grow, I would say start trading with let's say if you have 1,000 rands or less. If you have 1,000 rands or less to fund an account, I would say fund that 1,000 rands and trade micro. Trade micro NES 100 or US 30 micro. If not, you want to trade something standard with 1,000 rands or less, then trade US 500. US 500 is just like NES 100, you understand? Except it doesn't kill your equity or your margin. So it's very hard for you to blow an account when you're trading when you're trading, what do you call, US 500 or the micro indices. That's if you have less than 1,000 rands. Don't even go and play there on the standard ones because you're gonna lose money unless you've been trading a long time enough to actually know how to make money from those kind of things. Because for the normal beginner, you're gonna make a lot of mistakes. So I don't want you making your mistakes with 1,000 rand account and then you're gonna blow it. Then I know it's gonna be another hassle for you to get the 1,000 rands. That's why I don't advise beginners to start trading NES 100 standard. Trade it micro and then gradually build up. You understand what I'm saying? So yeah, people can't handle greed. But my G, also the thing is the problem that a lot of people have. It's not greed. I feel like the problem a lot of people have is that they're trying to implement strategies that you would have to use when after you become profitable. You understand? Some strategies you need to first understand the strategy before you can now you understand before you can now start flexing with it and using 1,000 rands account and growing it to like 10K or so. I'm not gonna like in my experience. I've taken accounts from 500. Thing when the market just opened. I think it was a Monday. I took an account from 500 ZAR to like 6K before morning, right? And then only from scalping. And then after from 6 a.m. to 12 a.m., that account now was from 6K to like 12K. And then from around 2 o'clock to 6 at night, that account went from 12K to like 17K, 18K, somewhere around there. So basically, I took 500 rands to like 18K in the space of a full day. But it's not something I can advise you to do if you don't have the experience. That's what I'm saying. It's not about greed. You understand? So, what is the correct lot size for a 300 rand account on NES 100? My G, if you have a 300 rand account, let me tell you something, right? Let me tell you something. I'm gonna have to do something real quick though. I'm gonna have to bring it back here a little bit. You understand? I want to discuss this thing. So, delete. I want to do this. Okay. Hopefully I did not forget what I wanted to say. We're talking about what? Number one support in the building. Shout out my G. Guys, I'm gonna send you the link, ne? Or rather, let me send the link now to my broker. Understand? Let me send you the link now. I'm gonna operate the link now, guys. I'm just trying to find it. Okay. And then I'm gonna show you the portal. Copy. Okay. So how do I? Actually, guys, this live thing, Pella, it's my first time operating one like this now. I don't even know where to comment. Wait. But drop a fire emoji, dog. Drop a fire emoji if the content I'm dropping for you now, or you would want another live in the future. Drop a thing. Drop a. I understand. Fire emojis, and then I'm gonna drop some more knowledge. You know what it is. Fire emoji, I'm gonna drop some more thing. I'm gonna drop some more knowledge. Come on. Don't be stingy, guys. Like this video, like this thing. Like this light. I have 74 people on here. Nobody is liking. What's going on? No one is liking the video, but there's 74 of y'all. I'm supposed to go out in a few minutes, you understand? But I was like, nah, let me operate for you guys, and you guys don't want to give the likes. This one is not the one now. You understand? It's not the one. But yeah, I found the link, so I'm just gonna drop it now. I found the link officially. 38 likes. I appreciate y'all, fam. Appreciate y'all in the building. 38 likes. I appreciate y'all, fam. I bet I dropped the link, ne? I dropped the link. I'm also gonna drop it on my. I bet I dropped the link, ne? Yeah, I dropped the link, dog. I dropped the link. You guys got the link. Drop it on my US 30 analysis. Okay. Okay, we're gonna go back to what we were talking about now. I'm gonna go back. Yeah. So now we're back in the building. So this is what I was telling. I wanted to tell y'all, ne? We also need more life of a forex trader. Live of a forex trader in the building, guys. I'm gonna bring back the vlogs. Don't worry, don't worry. We're still a little bit busy working. You understand? Everybody's working and stuff. So I wanted to talk about what? I wanted to talk about lot sizing. So we're gonna do it like this. Let me just move this here. Yeah. So if you have less than 900 ZAR to fund, right? Let's say you have less than 900 ZAR to fund. This is what you're gonna do. 300 account, my G. It's less than 900 ZAR. You understand? Any amount that's less than 900 ZAR, you're supposed to only trade micro. You understand? You're supposed to only trade micro. So that includes NAS, that includes USA 30 and US 500 standard. Standard, yeah. You understand? So those are the only things you're supposed to trade. So those are the only things you're supposed to trade. Trade NAS 100 micro, USA 30 micro, and US 500 standard. To be honest with you, currencies, for me, in my experiences, I would not advise anyone to trade currencies, dog. You understand? I traded currencies for like how long? I traded currencies for like 6 to 12 months. When I started this journey, I traded currencies for like 6 to 12 months. You understand? And bruv, I did not make I made money, but it's nothing compared to the money I made in that 6 to 12 months. Is the money I've made when I started trading indices in the first month. I made all that money that I was thinking. You understand? So yeah, I wouldn't advise you to trade currencies if you're with me. So no currencies. Ash, I'm gonna talk to these people later. They can rest. I'm busy right now. Understand? I'm busy right now. Yeah. DJ Nanas is trying to call me right now, guys, and I'm gonna go out in a bit, but I'm still operating now. So, in my experiences, I wouldn't, dog, I'm not gonna waste my time teaching anyone how to trade currencies. You understand? We're gonna trade what's making money at this moment, and when there's something else that's making money more than indices, then we're gonna learn how to trade that. But for now, indices are where it's at, so that's what we're gonna operate. You understand? So, but to start trading, if you have less than 900 ZAR, that means, even if you have 1K, let's say if you have 1K, less than 1K in South African rands, which is about 50 something USD, only trade like this. Only trade micro, or if you don't want to trade micro, trade US 500 on the standard one. It's fine. No currencies, right? Broker. I send the link to the broker. You understand? I sent you guys the link. Yeah. I'm gonna analyze. Don't worry. Can you make 5K with indices on a micro account with 1K? Can you make 5K with indices on a micro account with 1K? You can make it, but I need to understand the question. Over how long? You're not telling me the time. In a week, can you make 5K with indices on micro account with 1K in a week? So this is the point of what I'm saying now. You understand? This is the point. I'm not trying to punish anyone by saying trade micros. But the thing is, I want you first to grow your skill using micro instruments. It's not that I'm saying no, don't do this because of this and this. I'm saying don't trade the standard NAS 100 or thingy. Trade the micro ones so you can develop your skill, because these things are very fast to blow an account. I'll tell you guys a story. The fastest account that I've blown trading NAS 100 and stuff, and US 30 and stuff like that. The fastest account I've blown, I blew it under a minute. You understand? I blew an account under a minute. That's the thing. Trading these indices under a minute, the account was clean. So most South African beginners want to start on USD than their own current country's currencies are. It doesn't really matter which currency you prefer, but you understand. So I'm saying use these micro instruments just so you can grow. You understand? And then, as we're gonna analyze, don't worry. And then I was telling you guys about a broker, Global GT. So that's the link I sent you guys for Global GT. So I'm gonna show y'all, man. So yeah, Global GT. That's the current broker that I'm using. They have micro instruments. They have standard instruments. They have let's see instruments. So they have forex, cryptocurrencies, synthetic also. So they have synthetics, so you can trade them during the weekend and stuff, the metals and what, and basically, like, dog, this broker is not from things, not from SA. I think it's from Greece. Yeah, it's from Greece. Yeah, definitely. So the way they operate, the way they operate, for anyone who needs a broker, right? The way they operate is, as long as your documents are verified, everything will be smooth. You need to just verify your documents and your bank account and stuff like that. But after that, everything is smooth. But if you don't verify those things, it's gonna come to, they're gonna ask for them when it's time for you to withdraw, and you'll be like, mara, you understand? So as long as you verify your documents, trust me, it's gonna be fine. Yeah, you can use Capitec, but you have to understand, with these brokers, their withdrawal times, they're not the same with different banks. You understand? Capitec, I think it might be the slowest bank for withdrawals in SA general, with any broker. But I think with ABSA or FNB, yeah, because me, I'm using FNB, and my withdrawals can even reflect with them. My withdrawals can also thing enter reflect in like 30 minutes sometimes to a couple of hours. But yeah, you understand? So for those of y'all who want bonuses, let's see if they have a bonus or something. But I think they do have a bonus. So when you're starting, they have a 20% bonus. It affects drawdown, right? The bonus affects drawdown. Nah. There's no off codes thing. No off codes. So this bonus that they have, it affects drawdown. So if you fund with 1K, you're gonna have 20% extra, which is 1,200, and your account will only blow at 1,200. You understand? And then there's this loyalty one. But so far, I've been using them because they are thing, because of their service, basically. You understand? Um, Back to the charts now. So, guys, I think what I'm trying to tell you is, like, you need to, like, have a long term outlook when it comes to this forex thing, especially. Hey, the people are looking for the boy. Guys, I'm gonna call these niggas back. They must chill out. So let's analyze. Someone said US 30, so I'm gonna analyze US 30. US 30 has the craziest market structure I've seen. So we're on a daily time frame. No, DJ Nunes is gonna come through, guys. It's gonna come through. Uh, it's gonna come through eventually. Just that I'm not with him right now. That's the thing. So okay, my chart is already on daily time frame. So okay, that's cool. Let's see now what we can do. So usually I use this type of trend line because it just gives me the best kind of setups most of the time. But it's about trial and error. It doesn't work all the time, but sometimes it does work. Okay. And this time it's not really giving me what I want from it. It's not really giving me what I want from it. So I'm gonna use a different type of tool. Okay. So we're gonna do this. Then I'm gonna clone it. Put it there. Sharp. But my problem now is, okay, wait. My problem now with structure on US 30. I'm not gonna answer the call, my G. I'm working. I told them what I'm up to, so niggas always wanna just call and, you understand, disturb and stuff. So my problem now comes when the structure is like this, because we're on a daily time frame. So if you can just use your mind to really analyze the structure, right? No, I'm not far, bro. Also, some of these things I'm gonna chop them up and upload them as normal videos. So you'll probably see them later if you missed anything. So if you can see, I want you guys to pay attention to something. Why US 30? Because look, this is a daily time frame. So this was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 days this market was just here, stuck down here for 11 days. You understand? That's why US 30, I don't prefer to trade it that much, US 30. And also on the equity, this thing is a beast. You understand? But nonetheless, it's been a while since I traded 30, but let's just check it out. So we're gonna go to 240, which is H4. And then I'm gonna remove my session breaks because I want a clean chart. You understand? I want a clean chart. Okay, let's go to 60. I'm not seeing anything on H4, so we might have to go to a smaller time frame. Anybody who just joined the live, like the video. I'm not gonna answer anyone's question if you all don't like the thing. Come on, let's like the thing. Let's like the video. You understand? So on 60 minutes, which is H1, there's a structure that I'm seeing already. You understand? As far as this goes, okay, let's try to clone it and see what we can. Maybe we can find something. Okay. So far this is the structure that I'm seeing on H1 US 30. You understand? I want to, guys, drop the thing, drop the likes, don't worry. So now I want to look at the levels that I can find at this zone. Levels. I'm seeing this level now. So a level is like a support or resistance structure where the market goes there multiple times. Isn't it? Support is 2 times or the resistance is 2 times, but with the thing it's a multiple times. That's when now it's called a level. So there's this level. So the price was there once, retested here twice, 3 times, retested 4 times, 5 times. So is there any other area like that? Not really here. Not really. There was a fake out at the top, so maybe we can use the one at the top also. You understand? So we're gonna go to our 30 minutes now. We have to keep diving deeper and deeper and deeper until we find a structure. You understand? I know I'm occupying most of the screen on the left, so I'm gonna try to keep it this side. You understand? I think we might sell, fam. So on the 30 minutes, there's another structure that I'm seeing, or a level, which is here. Right? So to explain what's going on, we have these 2 trend lines, the one at the top and the one at the bottom. Then we have our midsection there. You understand? So in our midsection, there was this level that we have here, right? And then we came down here to test, and then the market went up to test this level, came down a little bit, then went up. And then now our market is up here. So I'm gonna add our period separators again, which was our session breaks. Add our session breaks. So the only way we can enter this market is if we get a rejection up here. You understand? So we can sell down here, but it also depends on it might break out, but more than likely ICS. Nah, bro, try price action. It's less complicated. Yeah, price action is the best, guys. So if we're gonna enter a sell, We can enter a sell somewhere there at the trend line. Have our have our SL slightly a little bit higher than the trend line there. You understand? It's just that now, since the market is not moving, we don't know how the market is even gonna open. You understand? So I can't give you a accurate. I can't give you an accurate thing. I can't give you an accurate entry since the market is open, it's closed, and when the market opens, it might open with a gap up or a gap down. So there is no way of knowing what's coming next. You understand? Especially there was NFP also. So there's no way of telling where the market is gonna open. So it's best to just have this structure as it is. Keep it for when the market opens, we're gonna see what's going on. But most likely something is gonna happen here in this structure that I'm showing you. Yeah. I'm thinking, guys, if you guys really want, I can go live. Like I can make time every day to go live during the week. It's a young 30 minutes nyana to go live, and then you feel me. So that's if you guys want. You understand? So yeah, man. I think what I'm saying in today's video, the point of what I'm saying is, I gave you guys the broker, right? So I gave you guys the broker. So I said trade micros sharp, and then also build slow, you understand, but consistent. That's the thing now. See now this one, if I can bold it, this one is gonna be too much. Can I even do that? This Apple stuff, I don't know what's going on. I wanted to make it bold, but it is what it is. You understand? So yeah, I'm gonna operate to give you guys lives almost daily and stuff like that. You understand? It's Friday. It's Friday. No, it's not Friday. Jesus Christ! It's Saturday, 8 April. You understand? I'm about to hit the streets. I'm about to hit the streets, but I'll answer. Oh, it says it's Control B. I don't know, man. I don't know, man. It's not, fam. Guys, I'm about to go to the streets. I'm about to go to the streets, so let me know what's up. Hit me up with two questions or two or three questions I'll answer. Mara, in regards to anything, can be forex related or not forex related. Just hit me up with a question and I'll answer. So which broker do I recommend? Strongly recommend. I already told you guys, man. I already commented. It's global. No stress. The live is done now, basically. G. I'm gonna repost the stuff. Come back with all your fingers in head. You feel me? Guys, come on. You know the vibes. I'm gonna be back. What's the formation you trade in reversal? What's the formation I trade in reversal? Guys, I don't really trade. I just have, me. I'll give you guys my secret. I only have like 2 or 3 setups that I trade all the time. I don't do it. I don't try to have new stuff like a lot of things. I only have like 2 or 3 high probability setups that I will trade only. Also, how did Zakes make 14 million on that vlog? Guys, this guy is a trader, guys. He trades and he has other businesses also. So you know what I'm saying? I can't say personally how he trades his own stuff, but yeah, he trades and he has businesses. So 14M is very possible, fam. What's those setups? Guys, I can't show you now because the market is not operating, guys. I would have to do something like a live trade for you to see. You understand? I would have to do a live session for you to see. Guys, I'm not guys, you see, you're saying I must analyze when I'm telling you the streets are calling me. You guys, you're not operating the way now. I can't analyze now any other chart. I already did the US data, you understand? The US data, this is what it looks like on M30. This is what it looks like on H1. This is all you need for US data. This structure right there. Take a screenshot. Also, y'all hop on my public telegram. Public telegram. Dog. Go to public telegram if you want signals and stuff like that. They're there on my public telegram channel. You understand? The public telegram is on the description thing. I think it's there on the description. No, it's not there. Fuck. But I'm gonna in the next live I'm gonna give you guys all the links. You feel me? So it's your boy Vussy Magz in the building. Thank you guys for joining me today. I will see you guys on the next one. See y'all in the next one, man.